All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on this Razor right here, Razor 900 HD. Check it out. So today we're gonna take some of the stickers off of here. We're gonna put his business logo on here. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Put some vinyl right here with his business logo on it. Same thing in here. Remove some of this stuff. Put the business logo on here also. And on the other side, same thing. Remove this bad boy right there. Put his logo on it. So we're gonna kind of the same concept as this bad boy we did for him already. So, all right, show you guys a little bit what it looks like after we're done. See you soon. All right, bye. All right, guys, we got it all cleaned up. Now I'm about to throw us down some design line and get to it. All cleaned up on the side, all cleaned up back here. And right there. Now we're gonna put this bad boy right here, right on the sides. Map it out, lay it out, and get it done. All right, guys, we are done with this razor. It looks pretty cool. We got rid of all the logos that we had on there. We put up some new, we put some gray wrap on it, and we put his business logo on it to match his truck. So, his van, sorry. But here it is. You see in the background right there, it matches. But hey, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment if you like it, you don't like it, or what you want to see next. But till then, see you soon. Catch you on the next video. Bye.